What's up everybody, my name is Inchix and welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to make armor in Green Hell. Now I have never made armor out of iron, so I'm gonna teach you how to make stick armor, which is basically the best armor except for the iron one. And you can basically make this right off the bat. Okay, this one this one is already broken, but yeah, I had quite an attack. So it looks like this, right? And it's really easy to make, so let me show you. You're gonna need banana leaves. You're gonna expand on that, and you're gonna go into the crafting setting. You are gonna take 4 sticks, I believe it is. 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks. Fuck. Okay, no, it's 3 sticks and a rope, and maybe another. Yeah. Okay. So 3 sticks, 2 ropes, and 1 banana leaf, and that is it. And then you just inspect your whatever, you know, wherever you want to put it, and then you just drag it into that. So yeah, this helps you a lot because insects don't hurt you when you walk into a nest, and also like when you get attacked by like a jaguar or something, it's most likely not gonna hurt you the first hit, and it just protects you all over. So okay guys, so I hope this helped you. I hope you learned a lot. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Put something in the comments, it always helps me, you know, I'm a small channel, so as I always say that. Yeah, and yeah guys, thank you so much. I love all my subscribers, and if you want me to love you too, then well, I mean, subscribe, right? Have a nice day guys, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.